In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Converge on Gcash. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, launch the Gcash app on your mobile device. You can find it easily among your applications. If you haven't logged in yet, use your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the home screen. From there, you'll want to tap on the section labeled Bills. This is your gateway to managing various payments conveniently. By centralizing your bill payments, Gcash saves you time and effort. Next up, look for the category that says Cable or Internet. This section is where all your internet service providers are listed. Once you find it, select it to proceed. Now you'll need to choose Converge ICT from the list of available providers. Selecting the correct provider is crucial because it ensures that your payment goes to the right company. This step is important because it prevents any misdirected payments. With that ready, it's time to enter your details. You'll start with your account number. Remember, this number is 13 digits long, so double check as you enter it to avoid any mistakes. An incorrect account number could lead to payment issues. Following that, type in your account name. This should match the name registered with Converge. Precision here ensures that your payment is recognized correctly by the system. Then enter the amount you wish to pay. Be sure to input the exact amount due to prevent any over or underpayment. This helps maintain your account balance accurately. If you want a receipt sent to your email, you can also provide your email address. Though this step is optional, it is highly recommended. Having a digital receipt is beneficial for your records and future reference. Once you've entered all the necessary details, tap Next. This will take you to a screen where you can review all the information you just provided. It's crucial to go over each detail again. Accuracy here ensures that your payment is processed without any hitches. After that, confirm your payment. This is the moment where you commit to the transaction. Take a deep breath and tap Confirm. Your payment will now begin to process. Rest assured, this usually happens quickly. You'll need to wait for the payment to process. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. You'll know it's complete when you see a confirmation message on your screen. This message reassures you that everything went smoothly. Finally, save the receipt. You can either take a screenshot or download the receipt if given the option. Keeping a record of your payment is important for future reference. It serves as proof of your transaction and can be useful in case of disputes. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to pay Converge on Gcash. Now you can handle this task with confidence. Remember, each step is designed to ensure the safety and accuracy of your payment. Thanks for tuning in and happy paying.